Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome to another Rage Legends video with numbers. Alright, what is the summer play pack? Nice. Don't have the money for that. Let's not do it. Alright. We got some live arena coming at you guys today. Pretty sure you've all seen the news on other content creators' pages, but there is an extra legendary event coming up for sacreds. I've only got 9 and I am out of mercy. 9 is my mercy is currently at 0, so I've only got 9 shards. So I'm not going to pull this week. The CVC rather. The champs that are out look exceptionally good and I would love to. But I am also saving for Packmaster. I need to save so that I can hopefully pair him, because I don't have a Wixwell for my Titus, so I'd rather at least have the Packmaster for the Crow Card and have that kind of going on. So we're saving for that. But today we are heading into live arena. We did do some rebuilds on the account, so let's go over that quickly. Now Black Teeth, we did change up her kit. Do I have her previous build saved? I do. I think it was this build, 272. Yeah, it was this build, I think. 272, 357 accuracy, 81k HP, 3.5 defense. She was okay, not too crazy, but we've got her in a new build, 306 speed, 476 accuracy. Dropped the resistance, but that's okay. Still got decent defense, decent HP. I think we rebuilt Alice as well, right? Yeah, we did. So got a 243 speed, 230 crit damage, 244 accuracy, 4.9 attack. We got it built in a Savage 4-piece for the damage. We did lose out on the Slayer 4-piece, but that's okay. We did rebuild Esme as well. Got up to 347 speed, 316 accuracy. Yeah, that's a main deal. I don't think we did anybody else. We might have done Quintus. Double check. Yes, we did. 225 speed on him, 4.5 attack. 163 crit damage is low, but it's because we got him in the Savage set. So yeah, that's the bulk of the rebuilds. I don't think we did Avatar. I know we did. We got up to 300 speed as well. So yeah, quite a bit of rebuilds done. Also I had a rebuild on Arto because we took some gear off him, but he's at 270 speed. Alright, without further ado, we have 581 seasonal. Let's push for 600. Let's go. Alright, we got Centrix 95. Takes our Arbiter straight off the bat. That's okay. We'll go with the R2. Alright, let's see if those rebuilds work, man. Oh, don't like those picks. Alright, let's do that. Alright, we do win the speed race. Let's just slow down this Makage. We could lose. Okay, Otto's dead alive. That's cool. That is so good. GG. Nice auto. All right, Bull Iota. Let's keep it going. That was lovely from Otto, man. I didn't think he would I didn't think Nishak would weak hit like that. That was brilliant. You know, that just we could weak hit that just here with Esme, which could cause problems. Ooh, that's fine. Let's see. Another speed champ, most likely. Alright, let's trash the Duchess so we can get some power plays from our AoE attacks. Okay. All's this it. Okay, that landed perfectly there. Cool. Wow, not enough. Not enough at all. That sucks. I love that sleep, man. Ouch. All right. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh, man. Can the fear proc? Not this time, unfortunately. Ouch, man. There's no way this is the game, man. Allah's killed us off. No, that sucks. Should I have changed forms, maybe, actually? Should have gotten fears off. Star Sky. Fabian. Alright. This is going to be a real test. We need to outspeed the Fabian here. Stolen, Thor. All really good champs. Lady Noel. It's going to be tricky because we're not going to be able to just one hit kill. Okay, or we could. Oh, and we get the strip. Oh man. Wow. Counter attack? Nah, didn't do it this time. Did he not just get petrified? He just waltzed his way through that? Alright, that's fine. Jeez. And he's absolutely wrecking. Star Sky is probably like, what the heck is going on here? He wasn't supposed to be able to hit. Quintus, you absolute legend. What the heck? That was absolutely beautiful, Quintus. Okay, Rodolfo from Los Cruzeros. Rodolfo. There goes our arbiter again. I'd really love a 28% aura speed champ. But, you know, we are not that lucky, are we, friends? It's a 3-star polymorph Armons. Okay. Mezamel. Interesting. It's a 6-star Mezzo. It's a massive, massive, massive one. Okay. If we don't win the speed race, we basically lose. So yeah, let's see what happens. Alright, we do win the speed race. Love that. GG. Hey, 605. We got the fragments, man. Alright. Another chance to pull something. The mortiest mort around. Marishka Wukong. It's interesting. It's very interesting. Rogner and Gizmak, that's a tough one. Have to ban the Brognia, can't have that. Right, let's see. Are we good enough to win the speed race? That's a good question. And does he have stone skin that we need to strip? Yes, he does. Oh, yes. Tons of skins. This fight was. I didn't give much commentary, unfortunately, but this fight was purely based. The winner was chosen based on tactical decision making and having a good champ. Nell sleep on Gizmak and Nishak, keeping them out for one turn whilst I dealt with the Marishka and Wukong was perfect because Marishka brings everyone back. So taking her out first was great. Wukong was going to come back anyway. So bringing him back with her death ignored his um, turn meter full from his own revive, which is great. Then we could just like kind of flow through it and kill everyone slowly because once they miss their turn with a sleep, they kind of snap back in, and it was just all in my control from there. Ah, I love that. Great fight, man. Great fight. I'd say these new builds are definitely working. Definitely going super great. Oh, and now because of that, we're coming up against some very tough opponents. Let's drop the Ostrid. Let's see. Okay. It's a good ban. It's a good ban. She's the stone skin stripper. So we're gonna have a little bit of a problem here. Exactly as I thought. We'll get a bit of stone skin. I mean, turn meter from that. I think we lose. I think we lose this right here. Yeah, bombs. Oh, you really have to kill him off ASAP. And I needed the nail strip. It's okay. Show. Hot coffee one. All right, show me what you got. Another Empress. Okay, people are starting to get Empress, so he's starting to be or starting to show up more frequently in live arena. Can't say I'm too happy about that. He's very difficult to deal with. I still need to. Oh shoot! No, we can't have a Hedgie. He's problematic. Okay, doesn't go for his speed. Goes for his HP aura. It's interesting. All of the champs he's got are very deadly. Bro, how did we not hit the strip on this guy? Jeez. It's freaking insane. Empress is super tough, man. Gosh. Yep. Swap forms, nuke. Yeah, Empress is freaking tough, man. It's quite unfortunate. Geez, that Makage's resistance was actually also super high. Show again. Interesting. I have to ban his Hedgie. It's a long shot, man. It's a super long shot. Who sent it back? She resisted. Bro, how freaking high is this lady's resistance, man? Yeah, I can't get that stone skin off the Empress, man. It's just tough. The Punisher. All right. It's an interesting one. Come on. Okay, it's those are two really good options. That's not fun. Onryo and Lady Noel. And Ancora. This is going to be an interesting one. Understandable ban. Having the stone skin on helps. He didn't weak hit. Peace, bro. My gosh, bro. Fabian is annoying. Fabian is the most annoying champ. Ugh, that one actually hurt me. That one hurt Punisher. He's 14 million, 14 million, 8 million. Wow, those guys were quite tough. Boss Willia. Hey, love that. Thanks, boss. Thanks, man. That was my final battle as well. I already got the 5. Attack percent, resistance, speed, critical accuracy. Oh, this is nice. Keep that. Ah. Anyway, anywho. Um. Yeah, it's a pretty interesting one coming this week, man. I think I'm gonna hold the shards. I'm not gonna pull. I don't think I have the leverage to kind of pull. So for now, I'm gonna hold, see what we can gain. Maybe for the Shire, we'll have to pull shards. So I'm kind of trying to stack. I don't have any voids, unfortunately. The 2x was kind of good, kind of not good. Yeah, we got some primals. Yeah, not a lot, but we got some. Primal Mercy is actually terrible. Yeah, but that's gonna be it for us today, guys. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We managed to get the 5. And yeah, it seems like the upgraded builds are really working. Quintus, today, you were exceptional, my friend. Absolutely brilliant. That's all I can say. So yeah, really happy with the work Quintus put in. 225 speed is not incredibly fast, but it's good enough for my stage, my current account level and power. And yeah, he did really well. He did really, really well. I haven't booked him up at all. So yeah, I'm surprised that he was able to nuke as hard as he was. We also did get the final blessing on him, so I'm sure he procced that a few times, the arm smashes, so you got a chance of ignoring defense. So yeah, really solid, really, really happy. But yeah, until tomorrow, guys, cheers. Have a great one. And we'll see you guys another time.